who is the most beneficent and the merciful. Today our topic is the physics and what are the branches of physics. In previous lecture we have discussed about physics. So now there is the main focus of branches of physics. Then what is the physics? Physics is a Greek word taken from the physicos, that means nature. And what is the physics? Physics is a branch of physical science, deals with the study of matter and energy and allowing interaction between them. What is the interaction? Interaction means interrelationship or conversion between the matter and energy, means matter converted into the energy and energy converted into the matter, that is the conversion. The conversion is taking place through the mechanical work. And what is the branches of physics? These are the branches of physics, and except these branches there are other many branches. The most important branches are here. First one is the mechanics. What is the mechanics? Mechanics is taken from the word mechanic, means motion. Motion means circular motion, and that means that what is the mechanics? It is the branch of physics that deals with the study of motion under the influences of force. Means when you apply the forces, body will start to move, it possesses motion, that is the mechanics. And what is the electricity? Electricity, then a study of charged particles. Which are the charged particles? You can say ions, positive charge and negative charge, and their effect on each other. What is the effect? Effect is that the same charges repel each other and different charges attract to each other, that is the effect. And what is the electromagnetism? Electro, that is the word, means electro means electricity, and magnetism means magnet, means the study of electricity and magnet and their effect on each other. What is the effect? It means that in electricity, if the two windings you will rotate the magnet that produce electricity, and when between the magnet, permanent magnet, you will rotate the electricity, means wire, that will produce electricity, means magnet and electricity, both electricity produce magnet and magnet produce electricity, that is the relationship between each other. And what is the solid state physics? Solid state physics means the study of crystalline structure of an atom. Crystalline structure means they are the solids in the form of crystals, means these are the amorphous crystals. And other one is the plasma. What is a plasma? Plasma is a branch of physics that deals with the study of highly ionized particles. Highly ionized particles. What is the ion? Ion are the charges. You can say elementary particles, positive or negative electrons, proton, these create charges. Means proton creates charge, means there proton on proton there is no charge, positive charge, and electron contain negative charge, means the ion, these are the cation and anion ions created, means highly ionized, means there are different charge, more than one charge, more than one, plus 2 charge, plus 3 charge, these are the most highly ionized. And there is an external source, means there should be a artificial radioactivity to ionize the particles. And other one is the nuclear physics. Nuclear means related to the nucleus, means the study of physics that deals with the study of nuclei of an atom. Nuclear means plural and nucleus is a singular, means the study of nuclei of an atom, that is the nuclear physics. And there are two reactions occur in nuclear. One is the nuclear fission and other one is the nuclear fusion reaction. And atomic physics means the study is the branch of physics that deals with the study of atoms, means what is the structure of atoms and what is the behavior and the charges, effect of charges inside the atom, that is the atomic physics. And second is the biophysics. Bio means life, the physics of living beings and metabolism inside the living things, that is the biophysics. And environmental physics means the physics related to the environment. Then what is the effect of living beings to the environment and what is the effect of environment on the living beings, that is the environmental, means global warming, greenhouse gases, heat, temperature, drops and decreases related to the environmental physics. So today is the topic, that is the branches of physics. I hope that you have understand all. So for tomorrow we will move forward. So this is the task for you, that you must revise all topics from your textbook and For the tomorrow, I will write the questions from these topics, so you must read it carefully. Till see you tomorrow.